This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video explains the concepts and calculates the sigma boundaries for the empirical rule. The empirical rule applies for any distribution that is symmetric and bell-shaped. Normally you think of a bell as being symmetric, but to make it clear, a symmetric and bell-shaped distribution. The data that you will enter to use this spreadsheet is the mean of the distribution and the standard deviation. In particular, all normal distributions qualify as symmetric and bell-shaped. This diagram here, pictorial, shows you visually the sigma intervals and the empirical rule statements for those intervals. Within one standard deviation of the mean, from -1 to 1, in this case, this is a standard normal kind of a mean and standard deviation scenario right now, 68% approximately of the data will be guaranteed to fall in that interval. For 2 standard deviations out on either side, it's 95%, and for 3 standard deviations, 99.7%. If we change the mean to 50 and the standard deviation to 10, we see the new automatically recalculated sigma intervals. And that's the convenience of this spreadsheet, besides understanding the concepts, is to use it when you're using the empirical rule to very quickly establish your sigma boundaries, namely 1, 2, and 3 sigma. It may be something that you find simple to do for cases like this, but if you have a more difficult situation, like a mean of 233 and a standard deviation of 23, that would be more time-consuming and error-prone to compute those boundaries. And this spreadsheet automatically starts here at the mean and gives you those interval boundaries, the sigma boundaries, instantaneously.